Hey there! I hope you have the most beautiful day. I'm Alina and you found your way to my YouTube channel, The Art of Nature Germany. I vlog around in the beautiful German nature that surrounds me, and I make videos about my self-made and organic beauty and herbalism. So today I want to show you how to make herb butter with dandelion and ground ivy. So I started by also harvesting some garden herbs like chives and marjoram. The dandelion is full of antioxidants. It boosts your immune system, helps your digestion, and is also highly nutritious. It contains a lot of vitamins like vitamin A, C, E, and some B vitamins. It's also a rich source of iron, calcium, magnesium, and fiber. When the dandelion blooms, the plant puts all its energy into the flowers. That's why you use the blossoms now and harvest the leaves just in early spring. The ground ivy is traditionally used as medicine. It is prescribed for lung problems, bronchitis, stomach problems, and various other health conditions. For all Germans that are watching, if you want to look it up, the German name for ground ivy is Gundermann. Basically, you can use any wild herbs you'd like in your herb butter. I just like the dandelion flower because of its sweet taste, and I think the ground ivy adds a very special note to it because it tastes very spicy and minty. I think you should try it one time at least. The recipe itself is very easy. You just have to cut all the herbs in small pieces. I started off with the chives. Then I pulled off the leaves of the ground ivy and cutted them. I also took a sage leaf and the marjoram pulled off the leaves of the marjoram as I did with the ground ivy, cutted everything and added it into the butter. And then you just pull out the yellow cords of the dandelion and put them in the butter. I also added oven baked and cutted clove of garlic. I don't know why I didn't film this, but you see it here. The last ingredients I put in was a pinch of mountain flower salt they produce in our region. Then I mixed it. As my family follows a plant-based lifestyle, I used vegan margarine, but you can basically also use dairy butter. Just put it in the fridge until you eat it. My family and I had it with the beautiful barbecue we made this day. I spreaded it onto bread that we grilled. I think this is the most yummy thing you could ever do. If you need another inspiration what to do with the herb butter, I added it the next day to my zucchini spaghetti, and it tasted also so good. I think you can use it with everything.